survive, not gonna feel better. Why did they take black on the sun? And now for the phenomenal sound, black colors, really that's all over. In different styles and colors. Left to my like colors, I'm like scratching, mark. Big little massive, that's what I'm saying. This is the domestic board. The way colors. Be so ungrateful that the boy not gonna stop there for you. How can you be so unrude and don't be rude? That's hard for two. In that song is that you can see that colorful with that routine. That color before me. It was nothing to that song. I love you so fine, I could have no fear. Why did they take the color? Take the color.
Everybody wants the same thing down there. Everybody wants an appear. Say you wanna see the game and start today. Say you wanna be black colors friend. Everybody wanna work for a living. Yeah, they wanna children walk. Everybody just wanna be forgiven. Yeah, you wanna share them from the storm. You can be our enemy. We walk and common ground. This is no time to fight each other. What we need, solidarity. I want black color songs that I want. Solidarity. Nobody likes to ask for money. Nobody likes to play the ground. Nobody wanna get in a long life. Nobody likes to push the round. What you doing? I remember the days when things wasn't right. When mama should be right. Stayed up late on through the night. When black color sound played so sweet. When no one else was complete. Making sure we had the best of life. Choosing the sacrifice. Never hesitate to compromise. We said them sound and not bad like me. But truly a blessing. This is a special. I said them sound and not bad like me. Love is the greatest. I said this one is exclusively. But you go easy.
let's go get on. Really like you, pretty spicy, like you, you can go, you gotta speed it like you. So yeah.